whatever you do, do not do custom Wi-Fi antennas. Well, at least that's how it felt to me after the poll that I did earlier this week. If you look on the screen, the results were quite clear. Keep going with solutions for the 4G, 5G space. Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi custom antennas, only one vote at the time that I'm recording this video, or go with the flow. Now, this is really ironic because when I posted the poll, I was already finished with my custom antenna. This antenna is a Wi-Fi 6E antenna, ready for what is still to come, which I will not now discuss on RF Shop channel because that's basically what the poll said that's the best for this channel and also works best for the RF shop as such. Now, there is more to us than just running an RF shop business, which is the shop front and the stuff that you see there, ready-made, off-the-shelf kind of solutions. So we present those, we sell those, and we sell solutions. But here is what we're going to do. First one, talk more about 4G, 5G. Yes, we will keep doing that, but we will focus more on the solution space. So understanding the customer problem, discussing how it can be solved, using only products that is available on our website. Now listen to my words here. It's not products only available on our website, it's products that well, we're only going to talk about stuff that we actually deal with and we can offer as well. Specifically what I have next to me here is, for instance, a MIMO 4 antenna connected with all its cables to the RET-X50. So that is actually quite a nifty and neat little solution, quite compact because it is here on a tripod. We will discuss this as we travel through South Australia when the summer comes. Not here right now, it's a bit chilly, so at the moment I'm just kind of in planning mode and just running as it goes. Also on this setup here is a battery, the BAT120, so still have to work out a bit more on how it behaves, the length of battery life for the X50 and all that kind of stuff. So there are many things to learn on this setup, which I will share on the RF Shop channel in terms of providing you solutions. And we will focus only on the products that we believe this is good enough for what we think is going to work for our customer base. And then the Wi-Fi and the custom antenna Wi-Fi space. Of course, Wi-Fi is not out of RF Shop. We will talk about the the Wi-Fi output. We also deal with alpha, so we will have a lot of alpha solutions that we keep using. But the antenna design, custom antenna design, 3D printed antennas, so forth, that is going to my personal channel, David the High. Now that channel has been working till we started the RF Shop channel just before the start of COVID, so that is early 2020. And that has been a bit of a dormant channel, but I'm bringing that back to life. So I will discuss and do some fun stuff and more RF focused, just nitty-gritty, nerdy things on the personal style, because I do that often in my personal time as well. Designing this antenna, well, the design is done. It's just how you could build it yourself using a 3D printer and some components that you will have to buy from RF Shop. And just learning more about how antennas can make your life so much better than just using antennas as a last afterthought. And then the last one on the poll said, go with the flow, or go with whatever can be done. Ironically, I actually wanted to do only 2 choices, but then when I hit another button, there was a third option and I couldn't delete it. So I just put in the last one, and the last option turned out to be a third of the people just said, just go with the flow. So really how I take that is going to discuss Wi-Fi 6E, Wi-Fi Halo, and any technologies as they come through, so we can just learn a bit, but after that not spending too much airtime on those if they don't actually have a value add under the RF Shop specific focus and products that we can offer. So that's the plan. So we have those 3 options. We have keeping up with the 4G, 5G. In summertime we'll do more tests when we can go to the beach. On my personal channel we will do the same with that antenna and other antennas. We will go to the beach and do range tests using the higher bandwidth internet connections, so 5.8 gigahertz, and eventually when we can do Wi-Fi 6E we will do range tests using those type of antennas. Also improve this antenna design and share those results as we go, and then we go with technology as it brings us. That's really it. So Still a bit of winter time, so we are, of course, we'll take it as it goes. The intensity on the YouTube channel might be less because we are doing a lot of awesome work at RF Shop in terms of manufacturing and in terms of custom designs and so forth. So that's keeping us very busy, and I'm thankful for that. But do subscribe to this channel. If you want to learn more about Wi-Fi, do subscribe to my personal channel as well. It only has 80 something subscribers right now, so it's really small, which is very niche, which is quite fine by me. I just want to get the information out there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again at some point soon. I don't think I'm going to do once a week anymore. It is a lot of work to run a YouTube channel, and well, there's other things to do as well. But give us a call, send us an email if you have any questions. No matter where you are in the world, we are always happy to help through our online medium. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye-bye.